goal is to make sure that everyone in Ohio knows about Buckeye Vodka, because there's still, after 10 years, there's still a lot of people that hadn't heard of Buckeye Vodka, in some parts of Ohio, even in Columbus and Dayton, where we produce it, we produce it in Dayton. There's still some people in Dayton that hadn't heard of Buckeye Vodka. Everyone in our company has ties to Ohio. I want people to know that we are producing handmade vodka. It's hand bottled by the family. It's blended and filtered by the family. And it is as good as any vodka on the market. And in my opinion, underpriced. It's priced so well that I want people to know that why would you ever buy anything other than Buckeye Vodka? It's the best.